Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make CV in Canva in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your search option over here and go to search for CV. And I can see there are lots of CV template over here. You can also click on show more. And any of CV template if you liked, then simply click on that. And then you will get a customize this template option. If you click on that, then you will get a customization option. If I want to change the picture, I can change it as well. If I change it and if I want to drag a new photo over here, I can simply do it as well. You can see the picture is added. So, and if you want to change the name, you can change the name, like I'm changing it as MHS. Or if you want to change the about section, you can do it as well. Also, you can change the work experience. Also, you can change the education systems. And also you can change the skills or by your way. You can simply choose any of your picture over here, and then you can select the name over here. Then you can make a professional. You can make this template by your choice. If you want to customize any of these, you can do it as well. So this is how you can make a CV into Canva in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.